friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix box today, and we have new fall hair. What are we thinking? Obviously I have naturally dark hair, so we're just going a little more kind of reddishy, burgundy fall tones. So it's fall, it's September, it's our September Stitch Fix box. Here we go. If you hear sounds, I have the window open because it's a nice fall day. It is mid-September. Here we are. This might not go up mid-September because, as I've said in previous videos, I'm moving, so you know things are getting put up a little later than they're filmed. So, but here we are. Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a styling service. I'll put more below about Stitch Fix. In the description box, there's a referral link. It's my mom's referral link if you'd like $25 towards your first box. She would get $25 as well if you use that link. You get sent 5 items. You can do it on demand. You can do it every 2 or 3 weeks. You can do it monthly, bi-monthly, however you want to do it. We have 5 items. Look at that lovely bundle. And it came in the brown paper. I've seen... Oh, something touched me. I've seen... some other YouTube Stitch Fix, I can't talk, creators get this brown paper, and I think it's so cute. I don't know. Not that it really matters what color the paper is, but I like it. It's aesthetically pleasing to me. My dog's in here, so if you hear her, she's over there. Here's our bundle. We got some grays, some like turquoisey kind of color, some maroon, and some super soft gray. So we'll get right into it. Oh, we have a box. We have a box, so we'll do that first. Oh, we need to read our note. Hang on. We have our note. Oh, hello. And our price sheet, which is evil. We'll put that over there. Alright, let's read our note first. Happy Rachel. Hi, Rachel. Happy 49th Fix Day. Congratulations on your new home. Thanks. And you're going to have a pool. I am going to have a pool. I don't know anything about having a pool, but I'm going to have one. And it's going to be great. Not this year, because we probably won't be moving into like October. But it's going to be great next year. What an exciting, crazy, and busy time for you. Yay! Since I wasn't able to find a short sleeve jumpsuit I'll keep looking for next time, I popped in the Kaylee dress. Its color will look amazing on you, and it will keep you super comfortable and also chic at work. Don't forget to grab your Urban Expressions tote from earlier this year on your way out the door and accessorize with a pair of the Kevia earrings. When you get home, swap out your dress for the MPG Sport Joggers and either the Mix by 41 Hawthorne hoodie or the rainbow pullover for completely laid back and cozy outfits, which I'm going to need while I'm moving. Keep me updated on your projects, and I hope you can hop in the pool before it's too cold. Probably not. The people we're buying it from, I was like, I really hope they close the pool before we move because we don't know anything about having a pool. So if we were to move like mid-October, end of October, like we're thinking, we wouldn't be able to use it anyway. But next year, my girls and I will be watching for your unboxing. XO, Kristen. Hi, Kristen and girls. Hello. All right, so here we go. We're going to do the box first. Oh, those are pretty. And I have been wearing, you know, when I was growing up, like teenager, I did not like gold. And now that I'm in my 30s, I really like gold. I don't know. So here are the earrings. It's kind of cool because it says like, if you can see it, I'm trying to get it to focus. It says like the different occasions kind of thing. So those are the earrings. They're super cute, little studs. I do have quite a few holes in my ears. So those are really cute. Girls' night, every day, date night, every day, weekend. Really pretty. I don't think I'll put them in my ears, but I'll hold them up to them at my leisure. Those are really pretty. And that's by Kevia. The Kevia 5-piece earring set in light green. And next, we'll rip into the bundle. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Alright, first up, we have, I like gray. I don't know about you guys, but I really like gray on me. I like gray. Okay. We have, let's find the tag. The brand is called Rainbow. Rainbeau. Tie waist pullover in black. So they're categorizing this as black. It's totally a dark gray. It's like a heathered gray. But here it is. It's long sleeve. It has the tie. Little tie on the bottom there. Nice kind of thin material for layering would probably be good. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, it says Women's Active over here. Keep dry. This garment contains moisture wicking properties, drawing moisture away from the body to the surface where it can evaporate, keeping you cool, dry, and comfortable. So that's kind of cool. I'm not very active, but with moving I will be. And next, we have this dress by Kaylee, which is like all the jumpsuits that I kept recently. Kaylee Joyce knit twist front dress in teal green. So it has this pretty floral pattern on it. That's cute. Short sleeves. Has it's really stretchy. Has that tie at the waist there, and then it just goes down to a nice straight bottom. Wow, did you see that lighting? It has pockets. It has pockets, you guys. Alright, so that's really pretty. I like that. Hi, baby! My dog's right here. You're so squishy. You're so cute. I know. Okay, hi. I gotta tell them what else I got in my box. Okay, next is the MPG Sport. She moved the camera. Blaze Performance Jogger in dark purple XL. Those are nice and stretchy. They have pockets as well. Ooh, they're kind of like a different material in the pocket. That's nice. Baby girl, go lay down. Go lay down, sweet pea. Good girl. So those are really nice. I like that. Here's the bottom. Kind of that classic, like, tapered bottom on the jogger there. That's cute. Alright, last thing. So soft. Now, the note said this was 41 Hawthorne, but this says Market and Spruce on the inside. Market and Spruce Callan Brush Knit Hoodie in gray. So, I wonder if it's the same. I don't know. But here it is. It has the pockets for your hands. It has the hood. It has the drawstrings. The sleeves have that kind of stripe detail. This is so soft, you guys. It is so soft. So that's super cute. It kind of has like a V-neck hoodie. Alright. Let's get to trying them on. Okay, first outfit is the Market and Spruce so soft hoodie. It's got that V-neck there, which my husband will appreciate. It's got the stripes on the sleeves. It's so soft. We have the joggers on. These are really comfortable too. They have pockets. They're really soft. They go to a nice length. We'll pan down on those. So here is the length of them. They're really nice. I love joggers, and maybe that's like the style for all joggers and I'm just ignorant, but I love when they are tapered at the bottom and they're a little bit looser through the leg. Like, it's so comfy. These pockets are mesh, so that's kind of nice. Like, I don't know. That's kind of nice. They're really soft too. I like the color. Now, I did just buy 2 pairs of joggers from Walmart, and they were only $12, and they were similarly comfortable. So I don't think I'll probably be keeping these, but they are really soft if you are an actual jogger and an athletic person and you wanted to get these. They're really soft. They're super comfortable. This is really soft too. I'll put the hood out if I can get back in frame here. Yeah, the hood's nice. It's not too big. You can tighten it. Yeah, I think this is really soft and nice and gonna work. Okay, and then here's the top by Rainbow. It's cute. It's soft as well. Not as soft as that other one. It's pretty basic. It's a nice basic, I think, to have. I do already have something similar in my... Oh, I just found these. Guys, look, it has thumb holes. I just found these. As I was saying, I do have something similar in my closet, but not with thumb holes. It's not gonna make or break it, but it's really exciting. So this has thumb holes, you guys, if you didn't hear. I feel like I have to sneeze. I'm gonna swallow it down. Anyway, I do have something similar in my closet already. I love this color. It's really nice, athletic, you know, kind of wear. It goes really good with the joggers, I think. So these are some cute, like, cash outfits, Kristen. I really enjoy it. Oh, like me moving my stuff. Oh, that's me pretending to pick something up. My husband would say, lift with your knees. Oh, this goes in the kitchen. Huh. Super cute moving outfit. Don't think I'm going to keep the joggers though, because like I said, I just got some from Walmart for like $12. And I had something similar to this. But super cute. Let's try on the dress. Kaylee might be my new favorite brand from Stitch Fix, you guys. This is really comfy and cozy and stretchy and cute. What do you guys think? If I had a wedding to go to, or, you know, I would wear this to work too, I think. This is so cute. Shoot. There's the light. Oh, it has pockets. It has this tie here. I'm hesitant to untie it because it's kind of tied like perfectly. But you can make it like a little looser. Oh, you guys. Kristen, why you gotta do this to me? Oh, why do you have to do your job so well? Oh, your mom does a great job, Kristen's girls, if you're watching. You have a great mother. I'm sure you already know that. This is so cute. My husband's work does this like annual Christmas like meeting thing every year. I don't think they're having it this year, but if they did, I would totally wear this. So cute. Feeling myself in this. It's probably expensive. It's probably $58. Most of Kaylee's things I've seen, their jumpsuits and things, are $58. I don't have anything this color. It's really cute. Okay. Let's go over prices. If you like this video and you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. There's a subscribe button somewhere over here, somewhere over there, and then give it a big thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. I'd really appreciate it. My dog's still laying over there. She keeps coming underneath the camera tripod for me to pet her, and it's adorable, and she's just kind of a mama's girl today. But let's go over prices. So the Kevya 5-piece earring set is $36 for those 5 sets of earrings. They're really cute. I don't know if I need them right now. I do like getting jewelry in Stitch Fix boxes, but I don't need it, you know. Tie front knit pullover by Rainbow in black is $40. That's not bad, and it had the thumb holes. The Kaylee Joyce knit twist front dress in teal green XL, $58 like I thought. I watched the footage back before I started doing this little clip here, and it is really cute, but I think I am going to try to hold out for a short sleeve or a long sleeve. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. Jumpsuit, Kristen, if you find one by Kaylee and it's short sleeve or long sleeve, I would be super excited. I did find one on Poshmark that I think is French gray, and it's maroon and has flowers on it, so don't send me that one. But I've seen French gray have some cute ones too. MPG Sport Blaze Performance Jogger in dark purple, $56 for those joggers. So I couldn't. Mixed by 41 Hawthorne, but it's actually marked in spruce, but it says Mixed by 41 Hawthorne on here. The Callan Brush Knit hoodie, so soft, gray, XL, $38. So that's going to be my keeper this box, I think, because I can just see myself wearing it a lot this fall, in the winter, in the spring even. especially moving. It's so soft and comfy yet functional. Oh, it's just the perfect shirt. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna keep. It's $38. It's a good deal to me. What are you guys doing today? Today I have to go grocery shopping because we don't make food in the house. We do have some food, but like I need sides, I need lunch stuff. So I have to go do that, and gotta clean out the chicken coop because that's always a fun task. If you guys didn't know, I have chickens, 14 of them. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I hope you guys have a great day, or night, or morning, or dusk, or dawn, whenever you watch this, really. And I will see you guys next time.